Good morning, Adolfo. The next video Facebook users. I'm saying I'm paying Komoka Krabi. Sorry, I'm paying me go through Facebook. Every day some comments via or no. Na emuna miko post to be a video post to be a Honorable Mubarak Abbas. Why at the other two on Facebook wall? I just say Abbas Enya Adaje Anna Dr. Baumia and Ordino I Shapia and would dinner them. I no crowd here and can have me be because NDC or time fufu pa our more edema Dr. Baumiano. Enya dia eyenwa eni na anytime bia Dr. Baumia be babontin so be ba be kasa no. The NDC will never look at the substance and someone Dr. Baumia eka no na omagina so e de ayina no. All they do any say ombe rainy insult at him say omobe pese omobe run down Dr. Baumia we nyina enyanwa isan say yenim ye kai pa say this is the same behavior among adopted here. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Eshase say obetu anamon na wabe president e de ama oman Ghana. NDC fui e kan sem bebre edifa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ho. Ebra Nana Addo enam a oba pro a o kan sem ensempa promises issues say Nyankopon na dom no obedi omanpanyini a obetimi de aboa oman Ghana. Anytime His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo eba abonten no yenya NDC ni bia amana meyi ano in equal measure said nsem a okaye no said tie no, but they rather resorted to insults. Mudi Nana Addo attempt all manner of allegations against His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Edu baby cried no more than a height. A be friend so emotia, ontimi me Ghana panyida na nabusuafo kra abonidua. Enti he's a cursed person. Nyadia obetimi ababe ye omanpanyi. Ni nyina haye isan se ahenie Nyankopon ani si hene. Enti yen haye. Nana Addo was focused oye adwuma okanensem e de kire Ghana for, and I'm so na 2016 abato no omanfo no eto abano edema His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. At the time Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ire no ho a oba pro o ka kire Ghana for ne ma oba obetimi aye no na yewura mahama any NDC mpanyimfo gina platform so a azonto ana no omosa atenidie ana no omudi Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ene Ghana for Hussein Bolt acrobatic display de bia sa na meka no ani hu so mampanyi Mahama any NDC4 na omo engage in. Thanks to God, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo upon some omo ka fa no hu nyina no Ghana for reject NDC4 no na omo to aba e ma Nana Addo. Nana Addo share na mamu ase a omo hu se ensem a His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ka nyina odi so no ede enimguase kase ene yamhyehyie kase aba beto NDC amanyokuo ene ne mpanyimfo so ensem a mokafra Nana Addo hu ni nyina no afede omagya ato ho because de omo pay senko mo ye Nana Addo senko mbe reni ne political career senka Ghana for kra ebe reject no no amam a ne Ghana for aso no soro enam enyuma pa oye sesi ade NDC fo ahase omo say ye ne say omo hu say Dr. Baumia a potential president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo okono 8 years wi a Dr. Baumia ebetimi aye Ghana man panyini enti o masterte ana atemidie ensem fata ana o masha ase kafa Baumia ho anytime Dr. Baumia be babonten aba be kasa on economic issues, on governance issue, any issues bordering this country no yenya NDC for emomu meyi ano in equal measure say substance of the case and I say and someone okan ye no on ba be yi ano say ebi enti say let say all they do is insult at ndidie enkoa anomoye eno be the same thing na anopa mi hu say Honorable Abbas Mubarak oye no on Facebook war me promise me trade bi to ho ba me promise say meye video na me dey respond to no na samba call kan no ewo video num ana ne nsama na o kan no na ni nyina ne say o pese o kire say Dr. Bawumia a disgrace to Northerners. And this is what I can say. Mubarak Abbas Mubarak oye mi nua ceremony and I can say asem we kire Bawumia. Na say ye pe obi a oye embarrassment oye animguase ema Ghana ana Northerners na eye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enya Dr. Bawumia mekire mu de nti America sa ebra Ghana fo nya akwanya eto aba edema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yene ya yesrimfo ne de majority of us yene je because me asoma de bia na me kan say anya hwe kra no the development gap existing between the north and the south no yenya omampanyini a ono da be direct the affairs of this country our free extreme ne de obetimi abon homoden ama extreme impuntuo akoho se de nyina ye hwe no enso de ne hu ye e wo mampanyi Mahama amamu kronbo akese a ekoso e wo na mamu mu no emu akese miensa obosa krono no e de she extremefo first yete ha ana mampanyi Mahama say okoye confirm e osrem sisa Ghana ska about 15 million Ghana cedis so they koye confirm some of us yeni je pa yeni jiye pa because yenim say anya bia no confirm farms na oye so okoye a okukuru Ghana ska twitwiri di so they koye confirm no emi say yenu anu o mu osrem na nkom benya adwuma aye aside that yani e wada ha no nso so confirm ye so banfa so a ye nso so ana omutimi ye na ekonkan a ye nso so ye benya bi e de adidi nti na ye anigi pa se omampanyi Mahama otu sa na mo no enso de ne ko wiye that huge amount of money how omampanyi Mahama ekukuru ye so de koye confirm usrem no at the end of the day no yen isremfo no obokro no e de hye yen omampanyi Mahama be ka kire se confirm na tu ko Burkina Faso na obia wo ska wo se wo yesremuni na nyankopon ayo adom no abaye omampanyi na what is kasa wo de ko dituma se e wosremu a I think say anka obaye better management manager of san confirm farms no a oye so okoye no anso de ne hu ye e de eka eni anim guase ene bre oman no anche ye wo ha no mampanyi Mahama abeka kire se okoduanua e osrem ye nyina anim esremu mantem said the awia esi ho the climatic condition you know ema difficult say enua ebe survive except few trees anatimi grew up very well e osrem ebra na omampanyi Mahama so okodu enua no some of us ye kan ho asem bebre say enye brepa a ye didu enua esi san na wakan kire say okodu enua e osrem a eye epebre even raining season kra no difficult to plant trees e osrem a ebetimi a survive but because of that diabolic agenda a na omampanyi Mahama etrimu ene de no opeso wo de Ghana sika e fasunti he insisted say obekọ akoduanua no at the end e de si ye sika twitwiri die a osesa ko osrem so de koduanua na anye bia akra no ebetimi a better the conditions of the people there in terms of jobs be create in terms of climatic conditions climatic conditioner ewo north that very harsh ebetimi aboa atutu niema ye in terms of climate ewo northern Ghana and Ghana in general no ede ade na ehu ye omampanyi Mahama tene ne ho san be ka kire se enua na wu enso otu sa na mo no ye mu bi tu ne fo mpanyinfo bebree de ɔma no to mu sɛ esrem de wontimi nkodua nnua ɛwɔ hɔ ebra epɛsi enso because of adwene a na wɔ ne tirim sɛ ɔno de ɔnwene yɛn sremfoɔ ho a MPP no NDC for including Omampenyi Mahama edi yɛn sremfoɔ adane sɛbe kotokro ede don edru adobra ana ɔmakaye ɔmo de edo wia na ɔmo de akɔsan dua so enu nti Omampenyi Mahama wamfa ho ensama yɛ kan wantie na okodua nnua no ba be ka kyerɛ sɛ nnua no ewu nti Honorable Mubarak Abbas sa ye ka obi a wɔyɛ animguasefoɔ edema nordnessa menu mienu a na ɛyɛ Omampenyi Dada Mahama Yabekai, the only legacy and the best of all legacies are Omampenyi Dada Nkrumah edija yɛn sremfoɔ no was free education in the north, the 3 northern regions. Aban bia waba after Dr. Kwame Nkrumah bia making sure so be sustaining the free education, you know, northern Ghana, because that is the only way we can bridge the gap between the north and the south. And because of that wisdom, the wisdom behind it, anything that Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, that is our policy, no. Ebai. Omampenyi be nya akwanya. After so nya akwanya, eko school, enya free education ni bi ewo north. Sabre na ono kra de na sika ofio, no papa e minister. No oko school Achimota school. Ba Omampenyi Dada Nkrumah de free education eko north wa na. O papa yi ne ko so onko enjoy free education ni bi e Tamale secondary school. Beneficiary of free education in the north, a northerner, a true son of the north. When yakwenya abeya Omampenyi, that legacy a Omampenyi Nkrumah ejato homa north northerness no. Adofo munyina mekai Omampenyi Mahama beye president e Ghana no. On several occasions, schools in the 3 northern regions were closed down because Mahama failed to pay the feeding grant for those schools. And you will say, Yama kwan time on so say nkwala no be vacate and so na headmasters no a close school ne down. Omampenyi Mahama virtually collapsed free education in the 3 northern regions. This is a fact. Where are they bit me verify the number of times na northern schools no esu because of non-payment of feeding grant by Omampenyi Dada Mahama. Enti Honorable Abbas Mubarak Abbas Kokoro Aba say ye pe nordna oye nimguasefo ema yen nordness no a enye Dr. Bawumia, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, based on the facts made an before so Omampenyi Mahama ebe fra konya no so no na yesi ehia se ye link Ghana, the southern sector to the northern sector through Eastern Corridor Road from the Volta region. Another development, some of us from the north, you say a year positive. I bet me abuama northerness and so a din ye. Yakoni abedie ye trade. A lot of things happen in the north. Kuyayo ahodwo any ade. Anka kwan way etimi koso yia. Anka northerness. Omo ye omu kuya kakra. Omo ye omu business kakra na de be free maba. Omo de transport abasade sector anka nyeden. Ntinka the economy of the northern Ghana no nke be improve pa. And so what did we see with that Eastern Corridor Road contract? Owura Kanazoy eye Omampenyi Mahama ede contract ema no say onye sa Eastern Corridor Road no ede dey see here. After say yama Omampenyi Mahama ama Kanazoy contract say onsi Burkina Faso embassy atnaya Ghana nsi adamu ebetena e Burkina Faso na sempo Omampenyi to anamon na okọ Burkina Faso a eho no betimi akodjojo no ho wo keke wo a ye to afa sa residency no ho no Omampanyin Mahama ekoji hu ntwobo ensama pie Ghana ha no na ebebre ankoye bibia Ford Expedition car obi a wabeye Omampanyin the president of Ghana ede na ye nimguase a chen sa suban wo yi a Omampanyin dada Mahama eda na di enti Honorable Mubarak Abbas kokoro aba se opo obi a oye nimguasefo ede masremufo ene Ghana man nyina ayo Omampanyin Mahama Dr. Bawumia betena akonya isu as vice president no ne ho nsem be no what say why engage in any corrupt acts ana ebi si da na ebi nso ensi da isan say Dr. Bawumia o maame no papa efi ofri mu o matete ni yie pa o matete no look at his demeanor even or appear in public share Dr. Bawumia demeanor na waso afoforo a memfa nko Dr. Bawumia so ye maamo kwan e maamo kan sem bebre e defa Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ho but I think say it's about time say mo de ba ye di hia mo ye expose mo time e ma Ghana fo hu the kind of people you are NDC for Dr. Bawumia asem bia ni ho a obeye Omampanyin abedi akire no obetimi de akofore na ebeyi on several occasions joining Guasia Edema Nordness we the Nordness on several occasions anakata se hye sensem afore fore no ai bi kura akoya international egu Ghana ni nyina ni ase enye Nordness nkwampo enti Honorable Mubarak Abbas kokoro aba I think say otena se na o analyze ensem we nyina yi a se opo obi a wo de sobo ebebo no se ogusremfo ani ase abra wa beye Ghana Mampanyin a I think say otena se na adwene hu yie pa o be start appoint o fingers John Mahama and not Owura Bawumia enipa ba kokoro ya mukai se Amajaro Cocoa buying company almost smuggle Ghana cocoa de kwa manone Côte d'Ivoire ekoton investigation because so ema Amajaro company no ye chewo mo government at the band eto Amajaro company no so sabre no Omampanyin Mahama vice president ani na anu ani nansa ana band no ye left ye yenko hwemu a na nkofo do monsa etna Omampanyin John Dramani Mahama so se ono ana kwaji adamudie e ma sa band no ye lift ye se atie fo meka ya Owura Dela Kofi oya NDC ni pa mapa one of their communicators sabre no na Owura Dela Kofi ba bonten be ka kire Ghana fo se Omampanyin Mahama ne corruption etese ne body ni atade a wo hye na sempo wodi kokwaduro eja Omampanyin Mahama obeton adi ama koko yare akun NDC ni na kan asase mwe enti Honorable Abbas kokoro aba se ye po obi de yensa a kire no so se oye korro ogu semfo animasia enye His Excellency Owura Bawumia Mahama me sure some kai say STS deal and this aban say police for kogu Parliament House say omu ekope adan anaso omu besi adan e de ama police for ama omanya baabi de omuti ato ye nyina e boy ensam se aban no etu sa na mo no a ebeboa ma a police for omo boy ho ban no ombenya baabi e de omuti ato e de ne kosi ye Omampanyin Mahama na odi deal na chi o hwese sa ne ma no be koso no at the end of the day deal no anya yie enso Ghana sa bo ho ka do you know why deal na anya yo enso Ghana sa bo ho ka ensam a STL company no de betu dwane se enipa na odi animu no ekoje eho adamudie saa asem we beto Ghana ha ye discuss bebre enti Mubarak si ye po obi de animguase ye po obi abonosobo so ogusremfu anim ase ebra wa beye president ana panyi bi e Ghana ha no mo a eye Yewura Mahama amampanyi dada Mahama enye Owura Bawumia yen soma Bawumia se onkoto aircraft emre Ghana emma no nkobada se obeba no na ado dan kwa Akufo Addo a institute committee so we investigate no adan because ebo okoto aircraft no ebon se corruption ewum amampanyi Mahama ne boss Owura Mills ebra no vice president no onkoto aircraft emfama oman no akote huntobo enam so ema Owura Atamos institute committee so mu investigate no anche ana Prof Mills efamu ehwere ne nkwa sadie wei ana ma bebre esusu adwene enipa bebre ka ho asem so mu susu se investigation na omampanyi Mills conduct on the purchase of aircraft afa omampanyi Mahama ho na nka be indict no enunti ana omampanyi Mills efa mu hwere ne nkwa one no office wo sade no ye no ansa na owu ne de eno de Ghana fo e kire o madwen ho so mu susu se aircraft no ho nsensam ne committee a ete ya ankade animguase bebre no ana sa ekofa sa owu no e de bre Yewura Mills enanu ya nche e ba so nsensam eboboba afedie wa move yen e de free your friend is saying local or the international government official one and some eboboba na say the special prosecutor akeka ne niamasi ani wie na onyaba abonten edidi ni betudwa Ghana fo behu the kind of person Mahama omampanyi dada oye enti honorable Mubarak san kwadwen hu biom na se o pesobo e de abo obi o yesremuni a wanya tumi so omampanyi ana panyi o Ghana ha no mo a so ye nimguasefo e masremfo a kwadwen hu biom na me sure so odwen hu yi a wo be hyase atenetene nsa e de akere omampanyi dada Mahama so enye Yewura Bawumia na honorable Abase kasa no na wasaite Yewura Aliu Mahama, may his soul rest in peace. Sir Aliu Mahama Alhaji Orezi Bano for nordness to follow Baba Umiaba no wabete sokra say no. I thought say anka honorable Mubarak Abbas epe nordna edena compare Bawumia no nanka wo se o select ana o chusu o mampanyi Mahama ana ne refi se Mahama nso yesremuni ana se ene ferry so obebo Mahama din ana ode Bawumia ebe compare Mahama ono ankasa gitum se yehwe the credibility a o mampanyi abedi akire His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wono Mahama de enuru ba bia. And he was afraid to compare Bawumia to Omampanyi Dada Mahama, but he decided to choose Alhaji Aliu Mahama. May his soul rest in peace. enti honorable Mubarak Abbas any Facebook users mutie me no ani die kwan so me pese mote ase se de NDC for ahyase a omoye se de omode ye na nado danko akufu ado na omo kan no nsem ara ne down so omo pese omo sai papa no enya adwuma se de na nado danko akufu ado de no anya adwuma no anka no coat anka no shirt no saa na Bawumia de enya adwuma Seven previous Mahama mpo omampanyi dada Mahama mpo omoda so di nachi so ansa ma Ghana mampanyi aya na me pesa me personal say but say Dr. Bawumia eba bonten ebe ma speech on the economy or any other thing na NDC for so omo ye mema omo oni before mitimi kasa emani ye we expect them to come out na ensemo a Dr. Bawumia beka ye no omu yi ano baako no omu ja atem didie no na atem didie ndie it won't go anywhere and you know it and this for minim say message kura message munni bi nka Dr. Bawumia e NDC mu a enye ne sesa abre NDC for mo twefa mo bo a campaign message ba ko pekura munyae no 3 years in opposition Abraham MPP ewo opposition by this time in 2016 na Ghana ni bia including enkwala nkete enim ensam a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene Nana Danko Akufo-Addo eka free education, 1 district, 1 factory, Ghana card, a whole lot, restoration of teachers and nursing training allowance, and they are home. Because they were focused. Omunimo de, omutimi drink kwechire, omutimi develop ideas. What do you see in NDC today? 3 years in opposition, you have no single message to tell Ghanaians, and you think Ghanaians are fools? What do you say, Ghana for Ejimi? Say, Mudia, Mubedi, Atamunkwa, Nagana for Akoto Abandi Amam 2020. It won't happen. Nti Honorable Mubarak Abbas, Mubarak, Kokoro Abba, Uni NDC for no, what we expect from you. And I said, Dr. Bawumia Kasa, Muni Asamno Bekanano, Bako, Niamu Sampa, Munimode. And then Dr. Kwesi Boche committee. The 2016 about 1 year, Mulusu Basano. That disgraceful defeat, you know. Committee I must say, and the day after no Kafa Bawumia. Sir, the entire NDC party want me and you be a man counter Bawumia. I want some okay home. Na mo de mo ho be compare Wura Bawumia. Mo ankasa munnim se the man is a gem. Enu nti ana okasa muntimi nyi asem na no na emu mudi na tem no. Dr. Tony Edu ose wono wajai NDC meeting aseko. NDC organize any platform bia to discuss issues or no we jaiko adentia or say NDC will never discuss ideas. They rather discuss personalities, insults, diabolic minds. Adwem boni e de be rani obi down. Adwem boni e de be cause mayhem basa e wo man mu. That is what we are expecting. How do you atem? Kodana dream who be Honorable Mubarak Abbas. Any or more, or many Honorable Mubarak Abbas, Koko Raba, a share view. No. Or more commenting blindly. I would do the battle who are more one of us. Just compare Dr. Bawumia and Omanpenida Mahama. medamase na I know say bia honorable Abbas e bia be respond but anytime bia be respond bia no I'll come back again. The first time I call warning and me visit page order. This is the first time, but I'll monitor. I wish I can be share on one. Now you're discussing somewhere about me. I can't hear no. Ni ahwe sempo. Obetimi akyere wadwen e won nsema Dr. Bawumia e kan no ho a. Inso na mfa mu nko ba bia. Eno na moye ya onapo defeat. Etiefo medamase.